Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video topic is how to repeat rows for certain number of times in Microsoft Excel. In this Excel sheet, I have the details of product ID, name and unit price. And here I need to track the daily sales of these products for a week. Like from day 1 to day 7 for the first product. Again, day 1 to day 7 for the second product and so on. In this case, I have to repeat this first product details for 7 rows here. Let me show you. I have to copy this. Then I have to put this detail for day 1 to day 7. Again, I have to copy the second product details. Then repeat this for 7 times from day 1 to day 7. So this I need to do here to track the daily sales quantities for the week. And if I have very long list of the product, doing this manually by using this copy paste method take lots of time. So here in this video I am going to show you two methods of doing this by using formula. The first method is by creating a custom function by using Visual Basic for applications. And the second method is by creating a custom function by using the Excel's built-in functions and the name manager tool. To create the custom function, we need to have the VBA code. The required VBA code to create the function is here in this notepad document. I'll provide this code download link in the video description below, from where you can download this code and use. First of all, select this code starting from this function till end function up to this, then copy. Go to Microsoft Excel sheet, click on the developer tab, then Visual Basic. In the VBA window, click on insert, then module, and here in the module page right click and paste the copied code. Close this VBA editor window. Now here in this cell press equals, then type repeat. Here you will see this repeat each row function. Double click on this to choose. Now select this product details range that you want to repeat here. Then put a comma and put the number of times you want to repeat every single row. That is 7 times in this example. So put here 7, close bracket, press enter. Here you see every single row is now repeated 7 times. Now if you want to save this repeat each row function in this Excel workbook, you have to save this Excel workbook as a macro enabled file type. For that, click on the file tab, click on save as, and here in the type of the file, select this Excel macro enabled workbook. Then choose the location where you want to save the file. Then click on the save button. Later, to use this repeat each row function, you have to open the macro enabled version of the file. Now let's see another method of doing this, that is by creating a custom function by using the built-in Excel functions. And to use this second method, you should have the latest version of Microsoft Excel that has the latest functions like the Lambda function, late function and sequence function. If you are working in the old version of Excel, then you have to follow the VBA method, and if you have the new or the latest Excel version, then you can follow any of these two methods. First of all, select this formula starting from this equal to symbol till the last closing bracket, then copy this. Open Microsoft Excel, click on the formula tab, click on this defined names, then click on name manager. Click on this new button, and here in the name put the function name, that is for example repeat rows, and here in the refers to, delete this previous value by selecting, then delete, then paste the formula that you copied from this notepad document, paste it here, then click on OK. Here you see repeat rows name is created. Now you can close this name manager box, and here let me delete this formula that is created by using VBA, and here press equal to, then type repeat. Here you see two functions are given. This repeat each row function is created by using VBA method, and this repeat rows function is created by using the formula method. Select this repeat rows function. In the range, select this product detail range that you want to repeat. Here put a comma, and here in the times put how many number of times you want to repeat every single row, that is 7 here in this case. Now close bracket, press enter, and here you see every single row is now repeated 7 times. And to save this second formula created by using name manager, you don't need to save this file as a macro enabled file. You can save this formula in the normal Excel workbook. So this is all about how we can repeat rows for certain number of times in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in next tutorial.